afternoon, Randy. Yes, if the sky is any indication for us here today, this timing of our storms has backed up just a little bit. It's as clear as can be out there, and we have some drier air that is suppressing the cloud development and thus the storm development as the afternoon continues here. But it's not stopping the heat. 89 degrees is the current temperature already in Hagerstown, and look at that dew point already at 71 degrees as well. So heat and humidity, that much is going to be building and eventually break away from all of that dry air and allow all of that built up moisture to break through and create a lot of clouds and eventually some storms. 90 in Frederick, 93 Charlestown. Leesburg's holding a little bit cooler at 82, but most of the area is sitting in the middle to upper 80s on average out there. And dew point readings, look at all that green. Upper 60s, mid 70s, and almost an 80-degree dew point in Aspen Hills near the Chesapeake Bay. So we have just all of this energy and moisture built up in the atmosphere, and that's why heat index values are now running in the middle to upper 90s, approaching 100 degrees already here today. And again, all of that built up energy and moisture is what is eventually going to lead to what we call a break in the cap. You have a little bit of a lid on the atmosphere when there's a lot of dry air. You can't get storms to develop, but when you get enough heat and moisture built up, eventually that lid pops off and you're going to have storms bubbling up. So the clouds are already starting to develop across the Blue Ridge Mountains. No showers or storms yet, but give it a few more hours and we will see that change here shortly. And any storms today will mostly be confined along and west of I-81 and north of I-70 through much of northern Virginia, central Maryland. We're not going to see a lot of storms here today. You have to head to the north and west to see more of that activity. So heat and humidity, though, it's not going anywhere all week long. Even as we have storms developing, those are going to be sticking with us. And the only relief or drop in our temperatures will occur later on toward the weekend when a possible cold front finally moves through. But for now, it's a rinse and repeat forecast. Showers and storms each afternoon, including today. There we go. A lot of that development from Winchester up toward Hagerstown and Chambersburg. Notice how there's very little going on as you head off to the east. We could see a few storms drifting that way, but it's not likely here today. Storms will pop off in the mid-afternoon, and likely there will be some showers lasting until at least a little bit after midnight. But then tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, much like today to start the morning off. We'll see the clouds in the afternoon, but it looks like the storm chances will be lower as the main creator of these storms is a stalled front to our north. That's going to be washing out on Tuesday. So as it washes out, there's going to be less storm chances as we roll throughout the day, the second day of your work week. But that chance of storms bounces back up again on Wednesday, and it looks like Thursday will be the only completely dry day in the forecast here. And yep, we're staying in the 90s all the way toward the weekend, but we could see that slight drop in temperatures with that cold front toward next Sunday.